Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create the fashion show style of image on Higgsfield AI. So this is the kind of image you'll be creating, and all you have to do is to go to this amazing website here and click on the Higgsfield AI Higgsfield show section. After signing in, scroll and choose the fashion show. You'll be brought to a page similar to this where you can choose from any of the pictures given to you the kind of image you want to recreate. So you can just go through them, and if you see an image that speaks to you, you can actually just click on it to recreate it or start from scratch and generate. So let's assume I want to recreate this. All I have to do is to click on it, wait, and then it will take me to a page where I can actually see the prompt used to create this. So I can copy the prompt here or just click on recreate for me to recreate the image immediately. So on the image, on this area, you can see the prompt uh, described. It says a model draped in layered muted gray and soft tops crosses a surreal set strewn with crumpled silver metallic sheets catching reflections like moon craters. Her silhouette is relaxed yet precise, with oversized asymmetric tailoring brushing against thigh-high made boots. So you can actually see the prompt and then modify it to make it yours, and then actually generate your image. So you can click on the high to if to actually change your credit usage. The high uses about 2 credits for generation, while the basic uses a single credit for generation. The You can also change the aspect ratio from this to this or any of the other ones that speaks to you, and then click on generate. Within a few seconds you should have your image ready for download, and once it appears this way you can add your video. You can make it into a video or add speech to it, then download it here. So that's it guys. Let me know if you have any other question in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Also please subscribe to the channel as we're actively trying to grow. Do have a great day guys.